want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog today. So if you've watched my other vlogs and you are here watching this vlog, oh my god guys, I just want to say a massive thank you. And I just want to appreciate you watching. Super appreciated. So today this is just going to be a very short video I'm making, and it's just basically just to show you off some of the things that I bought recently. There'll be quite a lot of couple of holidays happening for me this year, and so it's kind of pushed me now, this is not an excuse actually, into just buying some kind of pieces. But some of the things that I'm going to show you off today were some of the things that I bought like a few weeks ago, and I've just kind of been thinking about ways to style them. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you off. So I've got pieces from Mistress Rock. This is actually my first time shopping from Mistress Rocks, and then a couple of things that I just got from PLT as well. But yeah, Mistress Rocks. So we're gonna start get to opening these. So Mistress Rocks, basically the packaging comes in like this black box, which I think is really cute, but to me it's just a bit too much. So I bought 2 items from Mistress Rocks, and basically I got 2 boxes, which I thought, yeah, it's really cute, packaging is cute, but I was just imagining, oh, if I bought 5 things, I'd have gotten like 5 of these boxes. It's just a tad too much. Maybe it's the environmentalist in me, is just like, this is a bit too much, but it's cute anyways. So I'm just gonna open these and show you all. So we've got this little black dress that I got. It's really nice. I don't know if I'm able to put a picture up just to show you what it looked like on their website, but it's just like really nice, cute black dress. I mean, everybody needs a little black dress in their wardrobe anyway, so if you haven't got one, go grab yourself one. But we'll see how that looks when I put it together. I'm probably gonna dress that one because obviously we're still a little bit in winter now. I think we're gradually moving away from winter into spring. So, but I'm gonna style that as though I was wearing it during like a winter cold season. Although, like I said, you can always, you know, it's a black dress, so you can always style it in so many different ways. And then I got this maroon red sweetheart neck cassette top. This looks quite big to me. Maybe I should have gone for an extra small, but we'll see what it's giving. And for me now, I always say to myself, once I buy an item and it doesn't like, if it's not like giving me what I wanted to give, that's it, it's going back. So we'll see what's this gonna look like. So for PLT, I only really plan to pick up one thing. So I was trying to find like a leggings or a trouser or just a, you know, bottom wear that would actually really go with this top, and then I came across this leggings on PLT. Even though I don't really think both colors, I think they complement each other, but it wasn't quite the color that I was looking for. So on PLT I picked up this leggings, and then I picked up a couple other things. I picked up like a white lace. So I've got this like, it's not beige, it's like a creamy jacket that I wore. If you watched my Paris vlog, you probably see that really nice jacket. I picked that up from H&M, and I was trying to think to myself, okay, how can I restyle that jacket? And then a thought came into my head, my mind, you could actually add like a lace leggings or tie under it. So we'll see what it's giving. So I picked up this as well from PLT, just a basic lace trouser. And then I picked up what else did I pick up from PLT? There's a nice black long dress. Something with me and black these days, I don't know, but we'll see. And then I also picked up like a jeans, like a low waist jeans. So I'll try and style those, and then we'll be right back. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so okay guys, this is the first fit. This is actually really nice. I love this outfit. Unfortunately, this is a small, and the reason I got this is because of the arms. I wanted to make sure that I had enough room for the arm, and it's fine. But unfortunately, this top isn't really just giving me because the thing is I can't go any smaller than this, or it would just be too tight. It wouldn't, like, yeah. And the neck like is a bit loose at the back here, so I'll probably have to touch it up a little bit just to give it that really nice tight fit, which I don't think I'm ready. Like, look, for me it's like once I buy an outfit and it just does not give me what I'm looking for, I just don't bother. So unfortunately I think I'm gonna have to return this one. I don't think it's for me. Though I love the cut, I love the sweetheart neck, it's really cute. The trouser too from PLT is not bad. Unfortunately, again, the fitting is a bit weird. I think I might keep the trouser, to be honest. I think I might just have to do something to the back just to kind of give me that like nice cinch. I think once I'm able to get the back fitted, then it would be nice. I quite like the texture of the trouser. Of the pants is long. It's quite a nice long, you can see, and then it's got that really nice slit on the side, so it's quite cute, and I think it actually goes with this fit. And to be honest, I paired it with this Coach bag, which this Coach bag is literally the same color as the trouser, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's actually a nice fit, just that the fitting is just not giving me, like, I like to just wear something and it just sits. I'm not ready to go and spend money to get things amended again. So yeah, so hi guys, so this is the lace leggings that I bought from PLT. So I'm just kind of putting this all together, like, yeah. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and this is the suit jacket that I got from H&M. Really nice. You can like wear like a lace under it. I'm quite liking the look. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so this is the final fit from Mistress Rocks. So this is a little black dress. I really like this one. This is quite cute, so I think this is one of the ones I'm going to keep. I'm going to return the top, and I mean, you can never go wrong having a little black dress in your wardrobe. So guys, tell me which one is your favorite look.